Hello everyone, I am Sarath Chandra Duvuri. Now let us write a C program to calculate area of a triangle. Before starting the program, let us have a look on how the area is calculated with formulas. We have two ways to calculate the area. The first one is using sides of the triangle, and the second one is using the base and height of the given triangle. Coming to the first one, let A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. Then the perimeter will be A plus B plus C. For calculating semi-perimeter, then S is equal to P by 2, nothing but S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So substituting the value of S in the formula of area, square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, we will get the result area. Let us have an example here. Let A is equal to 6, B is equal to 10 and C is equal to 8. The semi-perimeter S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2 is 6 plus 10 plus 8, 24 by 2 is 12. So now we have to substitute the value S is equal to 12 in the area. Square root of 12 into 12 minus 6 into 12 minus 10 into 12 minus 8. That results 24. Let's see the another method to calculate area using the base and height. Here the formula is area is equal to base into height divided by 2. Let base is equal to 6 and height is equal to 8. Then area is equal to base into height, 6 into 8, 48 divided by 2. That results 24. Here, irrespective of method, the area will be same. Here we can see this. And now coming to the point program. Let's start with link section. Hash include stdio.h. Here stdio stands for standard input output dot header file, which includes the functions such as printf and scanf. And I am also including console input output dot header file, briefly called as conio.h, which contains the functions such as clr, scr, getch, etc. And we should also include the header file math.h, as we are performing mathematical operations here. This includes the functions such as power of a number and square root of a number, etc. Now let's begin the main function. Here I declare the main as a void. It means that function does not return any value. Now, as we have discussed earlier, there are two ways to solve this. So let's give the choice to the user to solve the problem. So I am declaring a variable choice of data type int to select the choice, and let us take the float data type variables for sides A, B, C, and semi-perimeter S, and area, base, and we want height. These are the variables we needed to calculate the area. Here we took a float because if there are any decimal points, it will be displayed. Now we should display the two ways to the user using printf statement, printf function. The first option is calculate area using sides of the triangle, semicolon. And the next print statement, here I am using the character /n to represent the data in the next line. If we put here /t instead of /n, then the data will be represented with tab space. I want in the next line, so I am putting the /n here. And the second option is calculate area using base and height, base and height of the triangle, semicolon. Now the user should select the choice. So we are asking him to enter the choice. It is either 1 or option 2. Read the entered value. We are using the function scanf to scan that. As we declared the variable choice as integer data type, so we are using %d as a format specifier and an ampersand choice. Here the ampersand symbol is used to represent the address, so that data you have entered either 1 or 2 will be stored in the address of the variable choice. Now if I am writing if block, now choice is 1, then what should happen? If the choice is 1, that means we are calculating area using sides, so the user should enter the values of sides of the triangle. So you should ask them to enter sides of triangle, or you can say that enter the 3 sides of the triangle, and we should read them or scan them using scanf function. As we declared these as the float data type, we should use the format specifier mod f or %f, and these are stored in the variables a comma b comma c. Semicolon is put in at the end of every statement in the C programming. Now the sides has been entered by the user. Now we have to calculate the semi perimeter, and the formula for semi perimeter is given here. S is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. That's we have to write here. S is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2 semicolon, and this is to find semi perimeter. Now we have to calculate the area, and the formula is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. We will find the square root of the number using the function sqrt, which is used to find the square root of a number, included from the math.h header file. Square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is the main part of the program, and this is formula of area. Or formula for area. Comments play an important role in understanding the problem. Now we can print the area here itself, but I will print at the end of the program. Now if we choose the choice is equal to 2, then that means calculating area by using base and height. So the user should enter the base and height values. So we print the statement, enter base and height of the triangle, semicolon, and they are read by using scanf function. As they are also declared as float data type, we are using again the modulus f to store them, and the variables base and other variable height, semicolon. Now the formula for calculating area is, here the formula area is equal to base into height divided by 2. Area is equal to base into height divided by 2, semicolon. Now what will happen if we entered a wrong choice? That means it may be 3, 4 or 0 or my negative numbers such as -1. Then what should be the output? For that I am writing an if block. If choice not equal to 1, and I am here using the logical AND which will be executed if both the statements are true. Otherwise it will be not executed. And choice not equal to 2. Here the condition is if choice not equal to 1 and choice not equal to 2. Then only it will be, if these both statements are true, then only it will be executed. Otherwise this if will not be executed. Then I just am printing the statements entered wrong choice, or you can type such as entered a wrong number, whatever you wish. Okay, here this. Now we have to, the last step of the program, now we have to print the area by using, I am doing it using the print statement. Area of the given triangle is as we see here, the area so declared as the data type float. So I am using again the modulus f here in the variable area. Okay, now let's run the program. If it shows any errors, let's solve them. Okay, wait, before compiling I am putting the character /n to increase the readability of the program. We can put it in every printf statement so that the program will be more clear. And now I am running the program. Okay, the output is there are two options. First one, calculate area using sides, and the second one is calculate area using base and height. I am choosing option 1. Okay, it's asking to enter the sides of a triangle. Okay, I will enter the same values and as we take in the example 6, 10 and 8. I am entering the same values 6, 10 and 8, and the output should be 24. Yes, here the output came. Okay, now let's try the second choice, that is using base and height. Now the choice is 2. Then I am again entering the values taken in the example. Here the base and height are 6 and 8. 6, 8. And the answer is again 24. Here we took the data type as float, so it is displaying 6 digits after the decimal part. If we took it as integer, it only displays the whole part of the fraction. Okay, now let us see the other choice also. If we entered a wrong choice, it means I am entering suppose -4, the choice. Actually that choice does not exist, so it should display that enter the wrong choice. Area is 0. So this is a program to calculate area of triangle. Thank you.